Hey everyone, if you love to watch history, hit that subscribe button and watch the video till the end because video is gonna be very interesting. Your support keeps this channel going. Earthquake, a comprehensive analysis. Earthquakes are among the most devastating natural disasters on Earth, causing loss of life, destruction of infrastructure, and significant economic damage. These natural events are sudden and unpredictable, making them one of the most feared geological phenomena. This document provides a comprehensive analysis of earthquakes, including their causes, types, effects, historical significance, and mitigation measures. Causes of earthquakes. Earthquakes occur due to the sudden release of energy within the Earth's crust, creating seismic waves that cause the ground to shake. The primary causes of earthquakes include 1. Tectonic plate movements. The Earth's lithosphere is divided into several tectonic plates that float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere. When these plates move, they create stress at their boundaries, leading to earthquakes. The three main types of plate movements are convergent boundaries. When two plates collide, one may be forced under the other, generating powerful earthquakes. Divergent boundaries. When plates move apart, magma rises, creating new crust and causing seismic activity. Transform boundaries. When plates slide past each other, they generate shear stress, leading to earthquakes. 2. Volcanic activity. Earthquakes can occur due to volcanic eruptions, which involve the movement of magma beneath the Earth's surface. These are known as volcanic earthquakes and are common in regions with active volcanoes. 3. Human extent-induced earthquakes. Certain human activities such as mining, reservoir-induced seismicity due to large dams, and geothermal energy extraction can trigger earthquakes. These earthquakes are usually of lower magnitude but can still cause damage. Types of earthquakes are classified based on their origin and depth. 1. Tectonic earthquakes, the most common type, occurring due to plate movements. 2. Volcanic earthquakes, associated with volcanic eruptions. 3. Collapse earthquakes, resulting from nuclear tests or explosions. 5. Induced earthquakes, caused by human activities such as fracking or reservoir-induced seismicity. Based on depth, earthquakes are classified as shallow focus earthquakes, 0 to 70 km deep, intermediate focus earthquakes, 70 to 300 km deep. Measuring earthquakes. Several scales are used to measure earthquakes. 1. Richter scale measures the magnitude of an earthquake based on the amplitude of seismic waves. 2. Moment magnitude scale, which calculates the total energy released. 3. Mercalli intensity scale measures the intensity and effects of an earthquake on people and structures. Effects of earthquakes. Earthquakes can cause widespread destruction, leading to significant human and economic losses. The main effects include 1. Ground shaking. The primary effect of an earthquake, varying in intensity based on magnitude, depth, and distance from the epicenter. 2. Surface rupture. Fault lines may break the Earth's surface, damaging roads, buildings, and utilities. 3. Tsunamis. Underwater earthquakes can generate massive waves, leading to coastal devastation. 4. Landslides and avalanches. Earthquakes can trigger landslides, particularly in mountainous regions. 5. Building collapse. Poorly constructed buildings can collapse, leading to casualties and economic loss. 6. Fires and gas leaks. Broken gas lines and electrical faults can cause fires, worsening the destruction. 7. Soil liquefaction. In some areas, intense shaking turns loose soil into liquid, causing buildings and structures to sink. Historical earthquakes throughout history have caused massive devastation. Some of the deadliest include 1556, Shanxi earthquake, China estimated 830,000 deaths. 1906, San Francisco earthquake, USA destroyed much of the city. 2004, Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami, magnitude 9.1, 9.3, killed over 230,000 people. 2010, Haiti earthquake, magnitude 7, over 200,000 deaths. Earthquake mitigation and preparedness. While earthquakes cannot be prevented, their impact can be reduced through preparedness and mitigation measures. 1. Seismic-resistant infrastructure. Using flexible building materials and shock absorbers in construction. 2. Early warning systems, O. Implementing seismic sensors to provide early alerts. 3. Public awareness and drills, O. Educating communities on earthquake safety procedures. 4. Land use planning, O. Avoiding construction in high-risk zones. 5. Emergency response plans, O. Establishing disaster management agencies to respond effectively. Conclusion: earthquakes remain a significant natural hazard with devastating consequences. Understanding their causes, effects, and mitigation strategies can help minimize their impact. Through scientific advancements and proactive measures, humanity can better prepare for and respond to these unpredictable events. A powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar around 12:50 p.m. local time on March 28, 2025, causing significant damage and loss of life across the region. The tremors were felt as far away as Bangkok, Thailand, where they led to the collapse of buildings and numerous casualties. Impact in Bangkok. Casualties and injuries: at least 10 people were reported dead in Bangkok due to the earthquake's effects. Additionally, numerous individuals sustained injuries, and over 100 people were reported missing as rescue operations continued. Structural damage. A high-rise building under construction in Bangkok's Chatuchak district collapsed during the earthquake. The collapse resulted in fatalities and left many workers trapped under the rubble. Rescue teams were deployed to search for survivors amidst the debris. Public response. The earthquake caused widespread panic among Bangkok residents. Buildings swayed during the tremors, prompting evacuations across the city. In the Siloam area, thousands of people fled to the streets seeking safety. Transportation disruptions. All rapid transit lines in Bangkok were suspended for a day following the earthquake. Additionally, the Chilom Maha Nakhon Expressway and the Dindang toll booths were closed due to safety concerns. David Aparicio, a chef residing in Bangkok, described the sensation during the earthquake as unsettling, noting that everything was moving. It was a very strange feeling. He recounted the chaos and subsequent evacuations in the city. Leona Kelly, an Irish PE teacher in Bangkok, shared her experience of the earthquake, highlighting the fear and confusion it caused among her students. Regional impact. In Myanmar, the earthquake resulted in at least 144 deaths and over 700 injuries. Cities like Mandalay experienced significant destruction, with numerous buildings and infrastructure damaged. The Myanmar government declared a state of emergency in 6 regions to address the crisis. The earthquake's effects were also felt in neighboring countries, including China, India, and Bangladesh, where tremors prompted evacuations and caused minor damages. Ongoing efforts. Rescue operations are actively underway in both Myanmar and Thailand. International aid organizations, including the United Nations, have pledged support and allocated funds for relief efforts. However, challenges such as damaged infrastructure and ongoing civil conflicts in Myanmar are complicating response efforts. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.